Hello, I'm going to show you how to use our spot trackers. You may have received either a Spot Gen 3 or a Spot Gen 4. They both operate and perform exactly the same way. I've just used the Spot Gen 4 to demonstrate. There's a small power button in the top corner here. If you squeeze and hold that for a few seconds, the lights will begin to circle around. Now that's powered on, but it's not yet sharing its location to the internet. It's very important you complete the second step in order for it to send its location up to the map so you can see it. And that's the bottom center button. On this device, it's a small flag icon, and on the Spot Gen 3, there is a small footprint icon. All you do is squeeze and hold this for a few seconds. That will light and begin to flash, and that means it's then ready to use. At this point in time, the spot trackers very specifically need to be stored outside of a bag and need to be kept on the shoulder or on the back of a backpack. Even more important, try and secure it as horizontal as possible. If the device tilts forward or tilts backward or tilts to the side, it's not going to be able to receive and transmit that data to the satellite because it catches a passing satellite every 5 minutes. And if the patch of sky is reduced by it pointing forwards or perhaps by trees or perhaps by valleys, that might miss its 5 minutes update, which does happen sometimes anyway, but you can reduce that happening by keeping it as horizontal as possible. When you'll finish your expedition, you simply squeeze and hold that button in the top corner to turn it off again. Important thing to notice about spot trackers, there are a variety of other buttons on there. Please refer to our detailed instruction guide about what to do with those. The only button I will mention is the one labelled SOS. There's a tab at the side, and if you were to flip that button up, the SOS button, and hold that down, that will bypass all systems and go directly to an emergency response centre in the United States. So it's important to educate the young people or whoever's using the device that this is a real life-saving emergency button and not simply a request for some assistance. There is another button labelled help, which is more appropriate for that. Hopefully, you now know how to use spot trackers and you'll have a fantastic time on your expedition. Thank you.